Hi guys, it's been 30 days since your new patient consultation, so it is time to change your HCG. You will have some remaining volume in there, so we are aware that it becomes less efficacious after 30 days, so please do make sure that you do adhere to our instructions and change it. First thing you need to do is prepare a nice clean sterile area, wash your hands and gather your supplies. So that will be obviously the HCG vial that you've been using, your new HCG vial, Torback, 5mm syringe, a 23 gauge blue needle and a filter needle and a stirret. Take your vial, take your stirret, open it up, wipe the top, take your 5mm syringe, take a 23 gauge needle, push down and then insert it into your vial. So pull on the plunger, and as you're removing the needle, keep pulling. So as it exits, you're still pushing on the plunger. So you've now got an empty vial. You need to get rid of this excess volume, so discard it down the sink. Resheath the needle. Now strictly you shouldn't do that, but obviously there is no infection risk because it's just you. Then take your HCG, take your Torback, we're going to prepare the HCG. Thumb, index finger, hold the body. I'm just holding it, I'm not actually grabbing it hard. There's a dot here, so you put your pressure here and you pivot. Very simple. Obviously dispose of your sharps. Then take your filter needle. Place the 5mm syringe on, and we're going to draw this fluid out. Again, dispose of the sharp. Remove the filter needle. Obviously filter needles are blunt because the whole premise behind them is that you don't inject glass, so we wouldn't want to have a sharp filter needle and do that accidentally. So resheath the 23 gauge needle. Flick, flick, flick. I'm just going to get out of camera shot for a second. Just going to push up to 5mm. So that's 5mm. Now flip the cap off. Now there's a central ring, 90 degrees into the ring. HCG is very fragile, so you'll see as soon as I put it in, it dissolves. So I put a couple of mil in, little roll around, make sure all that HCG is gone, and then I push the air back in. So because it's under pressure, if I take the needle back into the fluid, it comes out. So again, at the very end, as I'm pulling the needle out, I pull on the plunger. So we've now got 5,000 units in 5mm. What we're going to do is obviously put it back into the vial. Again, central ring. Depress the plunger nice and slowly. So I always take the plunger back up to 5 and then take it out, dispose of your sharp. You've now got a new HCG vial. Take care guys. Ta-da.